Bullish Cardano ADA cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $2.65 and $5.01 by 2030. Market investigators accept ADA could reach $2.06 by 2025. Negative Cardano market cost expectation for 2023 is $4.71 and $1.25. Cardano ADA presentation. The cryptographic money market is duplicating constantly. Be that as it may, staying aware of this high-speed industry is certainly not a simple errand. Consequently, numerous financial backers and merchants who need to exploit the market to create huge gains are drawn to Cardano. Keep close by for an exhaustive clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized examination, and what's on the horizon for Cardano in the event that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. However, remember that in the event that you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a tireless undertaking that calls for both tolerance and examination. We should jump profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin checks out for you. What is Cardano ADA? Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market with secure blockchain innovation, progressive shrewd agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake system in which holders of the money are accused of confirming exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top cryptographic money trades permit you to take part in marking with no or little cost, making it an engaging choice to produce pay. Cardano's attention on peer-explored information and proof-based approaches in its advancement separates it from other digital forms of money. Most of the cryptographic money market goes quick, yet Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and deliberately. The benefit is that it improves engineers' probability of distinguishing likely dangers. Cardano is at present worth $0.5 on 80.8907 est. ADA has moved 176% as of now with an exchanging volume of $505,242,136. Cardano is at present position 608 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $2839,251,703 est. Using the general strength list RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling disparity MACD from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Cardano ADA to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Cardano ADA market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Cardano ADA Value Forecast 2023. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. ADA. The ADA cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $8.83,360. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $24.69 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of $716,688. Cardano ADA Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Cardano ADA cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform $0.47. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the ADA's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.18 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.30. Cardano ADA Value Expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.06 and ADA might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.88 and a low of $0.77 in 2025. Cardano ADA Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Cardano effectively helps market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2026. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $65, with a base cost of $36 and a typical cost of $47. Cardano ADA Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.6 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.94 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ADA has a most extreme value worth of $3.24. Cardano ADA Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $3.65. On the off chance that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $3.83. Neglecting to assemble the help ADA needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $3.53. Cardano ADA Value Expectation 2029. While ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $4.12 and a yearly cost close above $4.42 in 2029. Cardano ADA Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Cardano will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $4.71 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $5.01, averaging out at $4.83. Cardano ADA Value Forecast 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should do your own exploration. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest ADA cost in 2031 is projected to be $5.77 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $5.54. And Cardano may not encounter a moment blast, but rather it can possibly keep contending with the best cryptographic forms of money. Cardano's innovation and future endeavors are energizing by their own doing, as are other productive cryptographic money choices. In this way, while you probably shouldn't rush out and purchase your ADA today, it's valuable on your radar as innovation advances. Keep in mind, it's not possible for anyone to ensure productivity when you are exchanging a digital money, so it's smarter to investigate than to lament. What is the Cardano ADA cost today? Today, Cardano ADA is exchanging at $5.88,909 with an all-out market capitalization of $28,39,251,703. Is Cardano a wise venture? How high might Cardano at any point go? The typical cost of Cardano ADA might potentially reach $20.44 and $72 this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Cardano might outperform $3.83. What amount will Cardano be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising prominence of digital money in Cardano, a drawn-out interest in ADA could see the value ascend to $3.83 inside the following 5 years. What amount will Cardano be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Cardano today, likewise with any venture, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of ADA might actually ascend to $7.48 inside the following 10 years.